Hello, Ken here with Ultralight, and today we're going to show off some of our ARRI parts. So for years we've been making what we call a BA-ARRI, which is this. And inside the package you have the Allen wrench, which tightens it down. And we have spare pins because occasionally these pins come out and you have to replace them, which I do have a video showing how to replace the pins. It's not that it happens all the time, but we try to cover the bases. So of course ARRI has locating pins that are a certain distance apart. That's their thing. So these fit on there, and the nice thing is they don't twist, so you could call them anti-rotation pins, whatever. But either way, they have the ARRI pins, so you can bolt it on, and it's all set with a 1-inch ball. We also have, we came out with this a couple years ago. It's an option. So this is called a BA-DB-ARRI. This is the package, and the parts are a Allen wrench and a couple extra pins. And these can bolt on, and when they're tightened down, it creates a spot to slide a part on, which we have two parts that we've made for years. We have a BADT, which you can slide it on like that and use a thumb screw to tighten it. Or you can use the BAAD to slide on and tighten it. So we have these, and then last but not least, we come out last year we came out with a BA-ARRI-SM, which SM's for side mount. And this way you can bolt it on to somewhere with ARRI locating pins and have the ball go out the side, which does give you a lot more possibilities. So other than that, I hope you guys have a great day and happy filming.